Welcome back to the channel. Aaron Latman here, owner of Attention to Detail, Luxury Detailing and Coatings here in Highland, Indiana. Today we are featuring this 1979 Jeep CJ-7. This vehicle has insanely low original miles, and I want to walk you through the restoration process of the entire undercarriage, as well as we're doing a little bit of paint work. Nothing crazy, but we're going to wash it, decon it, do some paint touch-ups, and do an enhancement polish and wax it for the client and detail the interior. This video is going to be insane. I cannot wait to walk you through this entire process and to come along with me and seeing this Jeep get completely transformed on the underside. This is the current condition. You can see from the side here, this frame is nowhere near rusted. It is almost pristine. There's an existing frame wax undercoating. It's not even a wax, it's almost like a plastic that's kind of chipping off that you can see. And so we're gonna remove all of that. We're gonna do our full frame flusher with our Salt Shift chassis frame flusher, get all the frame rails completely clean, remove all the rust, do all of our rust removal processes with our wire wheels, wire brush, die grinder, and a needle scaler. And then once we coat everything, you'll see the afters. This is in insane condition for being, gosh, it's over 47 years old. It's almost 50 years old, and the vehicle looks spectacular. There's like 3 or 4 rust spots on the paint, and that's it. So I cannot wait to show you guys. Enjoy the video. There's some cool ASMR of us removing rust and pressure washing and cleaning, so enjoy that. And if you have any questions, please leave them down in the comments or send us an email or visit us on our website if you have any questions. But I hope you guys enjoy this, and yeah, let's get right into the process. So one of our prep processes that we use on our undercoatings is called the Salt Shift Magnetic Frame Flusher. And so what we do is we actually flush all of the frame holes inside of all the frame rails and completely remove all of the dust, grime, dirt, debris from inside of the frame rails. This is something no other company in Northwest Indiana and Chicagoland do. Then after that, we also spray degreaser inside of all of the holes to degrease and flush out all of that flaking rust, grime, mildew, you name it, from inside the actual frame rail. This is Salt Shift. It's a product from Australia, and it magnetically attaches to the frame, so that way it shoots water and pressure washes it all out from inside the frame. are looking at is wax oil, 7 to 10 year life expectancy undercoating, completely done. We have a bunch of touch-ups left to do, quality checks. We got to get the rims put back on, but this is after a full spray inside of all of the frame rails, inside every cavity on the undercarriage, and the exterior of all of the undercarriage as well. This particular client wanted everything moving parts that could be sprayed to be sprayed, such as these leaf springs back here and a few of the other moving mechanisms behind the rims. For this particular undercarriage, the CJ-7, we decided to actually remove all 4 of the rims because you get a lot better coverage once the rims are completely removed. We undercoated everything. This client's main focus is, Aaron, I want my undercarriage to last. This is a almost 50-year-old vehicle. I want it to last. So we coated almost everything. Normally we don't coat any moving parts and anything that gets very, very hot, but for this one we did almost every moving part. The entire frame looks fantastic. You can kind of see from this angle over here, just where these running boards are, the frame just looks so smooth and fantastic. We did a ton of rust removal and scraping on this one and wire wheeling to get it back to the condition that it deserved to be in. You can even see back here on this rear diff, this looks fantastic. Some of it's still drying and we have a lot of QC left to go, but this looks so good. The client is gonna be in love with this actual frame. I'm super happy with how this came out. And once we get these rims put back on, do some quality checks, this puppy is ready to go into the next stage of its journey here, which is gonna be the wash and decontamination and the light enhancement and touch-up paints. So this undercarriage, 7 to 10 year life expectancy with a 3-year in-shop warranty. We offer a no-fault in-shop warranty. What that means is no matter what, you get anything repaired, redone, replaced, you slide across something, we'll recoat completely free, no questions, 3 years. And the undercoating itself lasts 7 to 10 years. It's called wax oil because it takes the wax from wool wax and the oil from fluid film, and it actually puts the two together. The oil goes up and it gets sprayed in to penetrate all of the steel frame, block any oxygen from actually hitting all the metal, and then the wax holds that up for longevity. So that's how you get your anti-corrosion, anti-rusting properties and oxygen blockage from the oil, and then the longevity from the wax. It's a fantastic product. It's the only one on the market with Swiss Magic that is like this. We have tested so many different undercoatings, and this is the absolute best one by far. We're doing almost 60 undercoatings a month here at A2D. So if you want to get your vehicle undercoated, definitely give us a call, fill out a form on our website, book a consultation. We can walk you through the shop. You can come on back, see a vehicle that's done on the undercarriage racks. You can also see the frames of undercarriages that have been done in the past. We always have cars in here that have an undercoating from us. You can give us a call at 219-533-8783 or visit us on our website, www.attn2detail.info, or you can send us an email, service, SERVICE, at attn2detail.info. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and I cannot wait to see you for a consultation here soon. Aaron with Attention to Detail, out.